Greetings to everyone. In today's video, I will be instructing you on the comprehensive process of creating your employer account on Freelancing Post, completely free of charge. Furthermore, I shall demonstrate the method to personalize your profile within this video. So initially, let us understand the importance of establishing an account on Freelancing Post. If you are engaging with any freelancer on Freelancing Post, then the creation of an account is absolutely essential. If you are interested in publishing any freelancing project on this platform, it is likely that you will need to establish an account, so you will be required to create one. How does one go about creating an account? I have meticulously explained the process step by step in this video. If you are eager to learn, ensure that you watch the video from the very start to the finish. Initially, we will open our web browser and input freelancingpost.com. If we conduct a search for this specific domain, we will arrive at the official website of freelancingpost.com. Upon arriving at the website, the initial element you will notice is the sign in option located in the uppermost corner. You should proceed by clicking on it first. After clicking, if you possess an existing account, you have the ability to enter your credentials here and proceed to sign in. However, in this particular video, we are focusing on learning the process of creating a new account, so for that purpose, you are required to click on the sign up option, so I just proceed by clicking on the sign up. Upon clicking on the sign up option, the sign up form will promptly appear before us. Initially, it inquires about the category of account you wish to establish, either as a freelancer or as an employer. In this instance, we are aiming to establish an employer account because our intention is to post job opportunities and also recruit freelancers. Therefore, we simply need to proceed by selecting the employer section. Following that, what do you have to do? You need to enter your verified name, meaning the name that has a tick. Why should you enter it? Because later, when you do any document verification on it, your application could be rejected. So whatever name is in your documents, use that legal name. I'll enter my name here. Then next you have to enter a username. It should be a unique username. So I will enter the username. Then I will press enter. As for the email, I have simply selected it here. After selecting, it asks you to enter your phone number. Before entering the phone number, make sure to select your country here. According to me, it's India. But you can select whichever country is applicable to you. Then enter your number in the box here, and this section for the number is not optional. Next, you are required to input a robust password in this section. So I proceed to enter my password. Upon entering the password, it initially informs you that there exist certain terms and conditions associated with this website, which you have the option to read by clicking here. Additionally, there is a privacy policy available for you to open and read. After reviewing, if you find it satisfactory, then what you can do is tick the box above. So, I simply tick the mark. After ticking the mark, you can click on sign up if you don't want to fill all this up. If you have a Facebook account, you can also continue through Facebook. You have the option to proceed directly via Gmail, or if you possess a LinkedIn account, you can proceed through that platform as well. However, we shall manually input all the necessary information here, and we have already completed the manual typing process. Now, we shall proceed by clicking on the sign up button. Upon clicking, an OTP will be dispatched to the email address you provided here, serving as your verification code. The OTP, yes, that verification OTP. Where exactly will you locate it? Whatever email address you entered, you will find it within the inbox of that particular email address. I have just launched my Gmail application. Upon launching it, I can observe that I have received a one-time password intended for account verification from freelancingpost.com. So I shall proceed to open this email. Upon opening it, I can see an OTP displayed right in front of me. This number highlighted in blue color, I will copy it. How long will it remain valid? It will remain valid for a duration of 15 minutes. So you will need to enter it within that 15-minute time frame. So what exactly did I do? I simply copied this particular code, navigated there and proceeded to entering the code. I will just click on the verify button. After clicking on the verify button, you will be logged into your personal dashboard. One important thing to take note of here is that on the side panel, you will find all the various sections where you have the ability to add projects. You can also see who has sent proposals, and you can additionally list your company. The inbox for messages is available right here, and you can see numerous features and things on the side panel. Now we will learn how to customize the profile. So you can see here at the top that your logo is not visible. So we will learn how to add it. First of all, you need to go down here to the settings. After clicking on settings, your personal information will open up. So basically, whatever name you have entered will appear here, and whatever email ID you have entered will also appear. If you have entered a phone number, it should appear here. I hadn't entered anything. That's why it's not appearing. Now, we will learn how to enter personal information, for which you need to click on the off lid. You can upload your logo. So, whatever your genuine image is, meaning your own image, which is in the document and is actually you, that is what you should upload. Do not upload any fake images that show your back or side or any other irrelevant images. Use your front-facing image. Kindly upload a professional looking image. What will occur with that? Freelancers will have increased trust in you as a verified client. So what you should do is, subsequent to uploading, you need to click on Save Changes. After clicking on Save Changes, if you observe the corner here, everything is all set. If you observe in the corner, your photograph has been successfully added. So in this manner, you can establish your profile and complete your personal information. That concludes everything for today. I shall bring the subsequent video on the process of document verification, the method to publish a project, and the way to find freelancers. Therefore, ensure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.